Hello, my name is Sabrina. This is my channel to help professionals learn English and improve their English. I am from Ireland. I have been teaching in Spain for 10 years in companies and with individuals. So I have a lot of experience in knowing what people's typical mistakes are, what they need to improve, and what they need to do to help them improve. So in this channel, you will find videos on how to improve your English, what websites to use, what resources to use, step-by-step approach, which you can also find in our free ebook if you check the links. And you will also find videos on the grammar, the vocabulary that you need in everyday English and in business English, and as well as lots more. So they're short videos. Come and learn for a few minutes in every video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and we will see you there. See you soon.